What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I am super excited about this. Still figuring out all the parts. I just purchased the DJI OM5. And the reason I purchased this is, one, because I've never used a phone gimbal before, and I thought, why not? This could be a very interesting experiment to not only figure out if they're worth it, but if they are, this packs down so small. Like, I can fit it into my winter jacket, especially when I'm coaching. So whenever I'm coaching, I'm able to slide it into a pocket, boom, pull it out. Let's film some cinematic stuff on our skis, especially for the kids. So it's gonna be really cool to see how this can hold up to not only the cold, but how well it actually works. As I said, I've never used a mobile device gimbal before. So I am going to do some test shooting with it shortly. Going to make sure it's fully charged, I guess. Would probably be the second best thing to do. And then other thing is just to make sure it works well with my iPhone 13 mini. I like all the little stickers on here. It makes it a lot easier for, I mean, I could also just read the manual, like, you know, any normal human being would. So do that, and then, oh, gotcha. So, sorry, we're just going through a couple of the questionnaire questions. Perfect. How do you, wow, there's a lot of questions. I'm gonna finish this questionnaire and then we will continue this video. All right, now that we are done with the questionnaire, get started. Okay, so first try to move the gimbal back and forth, left or right. So here. Now let's try to record a video. Tap the record button. Ooh, recording the camera. Tap the record button again. Let's stop the recording, well done. I'm a pro at gimbals, obviously. Active tracking the camera. Ooh, phone unbalanced and may vibrate. That's unfortunate, but this is a pretty cool device. We're gonna have some more footage of this actually being shot, but I'm excited to use it. I did get the DJI Care refresh as well, just in case I do end up totally eating it and it breaks, because that would suck. Firmware update. Let's install that bad boy. Anyway, really cool product. I am extremely excited to be able to use something like this for not only coaching, so that I get nice smooth footage. Granted, the iPhone 13s have some self-stabilization within them, so Apple decided to help create some stabilization within inside of the camera. So as you move, it makes micro adjustments to your shaking. But when you're skiing and going really fast, and or if I'm doing follow cams of the kids, I don't want to be worrying about how stable my phone and myself are. I want to be focused on where I'm going. We'll cut to some examples of the footage from my phone using this device shortly. Oh. Overall, my first impressions of it, I'm pretty impressed. I think the overall aesthetic of it is nice. I wish they had different colors. They had like the sunset pink or something. And I am a huge fan of pink, but you know, I would be down for different colors. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, check out the links below to where you can get your own OM5 or OM4 mobile gimbal. I highly recommend getting something along the lines of this if you are going to be shooting a lot on your cell phone, and or if all you have for a budget is your cell phone, because this will help create a more professional video than you just kind of walking around. It will also just make it look like you know what you're doing versus you just like walking around with your phone like this. Or just like this. But yeah. Again, if you have any comments, please let me know. If you have any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know how I can make this channel better. But again, check out the links below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.